Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the app and signing in. This links your library and preferences. Once done, allow necessary permissions so playback and downloads work smoothly. Make sure headphones or Bluetooth are connected for accurate listening. If you have existing playlists, the app may prompt to import them, except to save time. You're now ready to search or browse. Tap the search bar and enter an artist, track, or mood. This immediate action gets you into the app's workflow quickly. Next, you'll find music and shape playback to taste. You can refine results with filters like genre or year and toggle explicit content for family listening. Once you find a track, add it to the queue or a playlist. Creating a focused playlist organizes future sessions. If you plan offline listening, download tracks to device storage. Also explore playback settings. Crossfade and equalizer presets change how songs transition and sound. By managing to finish, sync your settings so playlists, likes, and downloads appear on other devices. You can share a playlist link or enable collaborative mode for group edits. This helps planning sessions or parties. Make sure downloads complete before going offline and verify cloud backup is on to prevent data loss. If something goes wrong, restart the app first. Clearing the cache often fixes stalled playback. If issues persist, check your storage and re-download the affected tracks to restore normal playback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.